I wanted to share that Triumph was front and center at the Northeast Lean Conference. 6 of our people went. That's 15% of our population, a big commitment, reinforcing that Lean is our business strategy. And we had a lot of fun. Here's a game that shows that by using standardized work and visual management, that the work becomes easier for our people, and that's really the highest form of respect we can show, is to make work easier. And oh, by the way, it happened 40% faster with higher quality, so that's really great. And then something else fantastic happened there, which is Kevin Doucet, one of our frontline employees, was nominated for what's called the Silver Toaster Award, a fun way of saying that he exemplifies continuous improvement by frontline folks. Congratulations, Kevin.